Welcome to the Altair SimLab tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how to copy a solution and the loads and boundary conditions. Now let's consider an example of a crankshaft for this option. Let's see the problem description. In this, we will see how to define a duplicate solution, how to create a load case, how to make a current solution, and how to add to the current solution. Now, let's open the SLB file. Select the SLB file and say open. If you see now, we have already created a solution. Now, let's see how to duplicate a solution. Right-click on the solution and say duplicate. You can see that there is another solution which has been created. Now, let's see how to create a load case. Now, right-click on the load case and say create load case. You see that there's another load case that has been created. Now, let's see how to make a set current solution. You can right click on the previous solution and say set current, and now you can add the loads and boundary conditions that are required here. If you want to come back to the next solution, you can say right click, set current. Now the solution, you can add back the boundary conditions and the parameters. Now all the boundary and parameters will be added to this solution because it's set as the current solution. Now let's see how to add to the current solution. Right click on the load case and say set current, and from the previous load case select the boundary condition, say right click, add to the current load case, and now you can see that both the load case or boundary conditions from the previous load case has been added to the current load case.